God damn it. I don't know how to work this damn thing.
Here.
Okay, let me see. Okay, is it working?
Yeah, it's on.
Now how do you speed it? Oh, it's on now?
Yeah.
How can you tell?
Well, you don't want to have the windows in the back.
Hey.
Carlos.
Hello, Carlos. Carlos. Hi, how are you? This is, hello. Carlos. Say cheese. Say cheese. Say cheese.
Burger.
Yeah. You don't have to do anything. What's the TW?
That's forward and back.
Forward and back.
Withdraw and...
Withdraw and...
I don't know.
Oh.
Withdrawals.
Withdrawals. Hey, Jonathan. What happened? What happened? Oh, it's the perm lady. Come on. Come on, perm lady. Let's go over here to this chair right here. We're gonna do a shampoo. We're gonna check. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. We're gonna check this. Wait. Oh, nice.
I'll film while you do it.
Oh, God.
Oh God, it's right. I bet she's like, that's what you get for making a Saturday appointment.
Yeah. That does be nice and quiet here.
Oh.
It is.
Oh.
Yeah.
Somebody opened the door.
It's gonna be all tight.
Nice.
Better not be.
It's not that tight. It's half.
This is going to be your new commercial.
It's half baked right now. Yeah.
Cool.
Oh,
That would be.
Could be fun.
Especially with Seven Mary whatever in the background.
Yeah. Let's crank it. Is that who this is, Seven Mary?
Something.
Hey, did you have lunch today?
I had a half a sandwich before I came up here so I wouldn't eat things.
We're gonna go partying after this.
How you doing, Jonathan? Did you get my phone message?
Ruby, I did. What did it say? Because I had a few beers.
Oh. I just said I was looking for you and Steve to see if you guys were doing anything.
Hey, I want you to
And then, did Steve tell you that Brad stole the pamphlet?
Yeah, he told me today.
Can you believe
I
that?
am pissed.
That is so
I can't
bogus.
believe that. And I was so waiting for it.
I know, and I mean, it was like on its way.
I give
It was on its way to you.
Darren a chance to read it. And he said,
He looked at it and goes, okay, I'm done.
Yeah.
it's drag. And why did he steal that?
Because he's a weirdo. Lame head.
Okay, turn that thing on.
God, you're going to give me holy snow.
No, I'm not. I'm gonna get you. I just want you to make sure your eyes are closed, real tight. But no.
Oh.
I know. It's got it
Out
on
of her butt.
Woo, woo, woo! No. I got some really good footage of
Oh boy!
my mom and Bob putting a toilet in, and they're both just up in the air and out,
What?
hanging out.
Put a toilet in?
Yeah.
Oh, man, you are the biggest baby.
Down this little, like, it was in a tiny space, so they were both, like, squished and leaning.
Your son's over there wondering what's going on.
Is that your mom? Is that your mama?
Mama.
Is she having her hair done funny?
Tired.
Here's Steve's new shop. Dun 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 dun. He's the man in the white room.
I'll definitely check that out because otherwise, it doesn't work without a amp.
Plumber? No. Where'd Jonathan go? Is he peeing?
Okay, I'll check that all out and then yeah, Saturday sounds good. I got your phone. What's your phone number? At Rock Island. 1851.
Got the
All
phone
right,
in
Dave.
yesterday.
Okay, man.
His
Hey, I
walls
appreciate
weren't
it.
here
Okay.
before.
And next time you come back home,
You've
we'll
been
get together.
smoking.
Okay. Okay. All right. Bye bye.
You have been smoking.
Does it smell?
You have the smokiest breath in the world.
Does it smell?
This corner back all the way out. But you're not going to redo those.
No.
You got two on there.
did
Show us
say-
around.
Well, see?
Tell me.
Plumbing!
I need a rag too, so you can carry
I got
it.
it right. I got it right.
I need a sweat down there. You have anything thinner?
Missy's, donate your,
Washcloth. I can donate that washcloth.
Where's he at? So that's one.
Yeah, that's good. Did you,
That's gonna be a
how much do you
closet.
want to have? How much do you need?
I didn't know that your shut-offs in the bathroom. Needs something that we have.
One thing or another, in it. How much do you need?
Where's
You're
the
going.
I am?
Alright, man.
Okay, I'm going.
stuff?
The main things I need, really, I mean, if you
Here,
can
film
get
me.
all you can.
How do you do it?
Inch and a half PVC
It's already
coupling,
on.
so there's no way PVC coupling.
What do you push?
It's already on.
Oh, it's going?
yeah.
Because I couldn't run a 10-foot, and I was like, no, I
Right.
had to take one of those
Does
up.
that say?
excited.
Do you
Turn
gotta
that
focus
damn
it?
thing off right now. No.
Oh,
Do you gotta focus it anyhow?
Oh, it's autofocus. Okay, so that's the list. I'm going right now. Because we're going to finish it up.
I'll finish it tomorrow. But I need, unless you want to get,
Crazy.
Everybody's,
Are you leaving them?
No.
Oh.
Yeah. Just for
again,
5 minutes. I'm going to go get some more stuff.
you going Trevor?
everything's unfocused. Doesn't matter.
Okay.
It is?
I need a
Everything's
3/8
foggy.
galvanized tee.
No, it isn't.
You are.
So you're gonna have-
I'm not supposed to
You
be.
got 3/8.
Look in there.
You got 3/8 shut-offs.
Aren't people
I thought you
foggy?
had half-inch shut-offs.
Oh no.
Those? I need those?
Maybe it's my glass.
But you need
Maybe have some
3/8.
speckles on them.
You need 2 3/8 tees. We can all work
I don't know. I hope I get the right stuff. Does it have to have this thread on there?
Okay, now do this.
This is galvanized clothes now.
Wait,
Can I take this? Do you think they could read it?
do this. What's it
What?
doing when I do this? Look through.
Oh,
What's
that's
it
funky.
doing?
It's doing that like there's people there, but you can't tell who they are. Now it's clear.
Galvanized tee.
2 of them?
Now it keeps coming closer or
2
something.
3/8 galvanized clothes nibble. This is a clothes nibble.
Nothing.
Because it's the shortest
Oh,
you can get.
wow. That's cool.
Let me see.
And you gotta make sure it's galvanized, don't
Yeah.
get black. Because if you get black,
It's negative.
you don't want this.
Here.
Half-inch chrome nipples.
Ah! Yuck. It's black outside in the middle of the day. Oh, they'll come back to life. Don't worry. I'll bring them back to life.
I found the color.
Here they are.
Ready to go.
They're dead. The fake,
Oh, Majiba.
the fake plants are dying.
We didn't have to.
Hi, honey.
Turn that damn thing off. I'm
Get
kidding.
your blister.
This is where Keith burnt me right before he left. Because he's a jerk.
Okay, this is happening. Okay, I got one more and it's done. Here's one more. Wow. Hey, it's Christmas. We're opening presents.
Happy Hanukkah.
Hey, it's Hanukkah. We're opening presents.
Various colors. It's the color.
Here's.
Well, the new carpet's in. The tile floor's in. We're unloading the stuff from the back room.
Color yet?
And Steve's doing his first color. His first customer. Please announce yourself and your name, age, and what you're having done to your hair, please, ma'am.
Oh, well, hello. My name's Judee Simonek. I'll be having a color put on my hair this afternoon.
You were the first customer.
I was the first customer. I'm pretty honored about that, too.
I hope
Win the free trip.
you're going to Cancun.
And it only cost me.
No, that was for the first three here. Or that was for the first three. Okay.
Hi, Rhino.
Rhino tiger.
Yeah, Steve's big catch last night.
That's where you went last night. You never.
Rhino hunting.
Yeah, it must be a pretty important wedding.
Whose wedding?
I don't know whose wedding it was.
Is that the one who?
That we went, he lives over
There's
at
Steve
Davenport.
quitting smoking.
In the big house.
I'm making him a smokeless ore. Ori. Ori.
That's funny. You still got the.
I got the keys. It's that black thing all the way in the back. Did you see his rhino?
Yeah.
Making fun of me.
Everything's sanded and dusty again.
Should we do a picture?
No.
We're in the process of food preparation. There go, over by the cheese.
Arby's fun. We had a good time partying with them.
Hi, Steve.
Oh, I shouldn't laugh because it sounds horrid.
797 7038. That's the number, right? 797
Here.
7038. Hello? Yeah? Hi, Wendy. What's happening?
I want to get a close up on this cheese because it's cheeserific.
I will be there.
Yep.
Okay.
Are you gonna make one?
Yeah.
Ooh, I want one
3
too.
o'clock. Do you want to call?
It'll make
this-
4 drinks.
this Before you leave?
It will.
That.
You always make that cringy face.
2201
Did you get find a measuring cup?
Put it.
Fifth Avenue.
I need a measuring cup.
Yeah, you need a measuring cup.
Here, this is a shot. This thing here. Right?
The name
It
of the
says
place
like a
is
cup and a half of stuff.
and it's
1.5 cups?
Street 8.
Something
You'll
like
see
that.
it.
What is this? It says 60 cc's.
That's 60 milliliters.
60.
2 ounces.
Hi,
No.
Mark.
No. That napalm's
Alright, everything's clean, everything's casual. Yep, okay.
Claro Hotel is 4 blocks.
I got some butt shot going.
Hey, did anybody do the startup?
Nobody started the dishes.
Should we?
Go ahead.
What setting should we set?
So at this Rittenhouse, Steve and Andy's having a party tonight.
What do you think, Bart?
Matt?
What setting?
For Earth Day,
Liquefy.
even though we
Do
didn't
whip.
plan.
Picture whip.
Oh,
No power.
no
It's
power.
not plugged in.
I can make it look really good.
Help me. I'm
Okay, sing it. I'm on fire.
Fire. I send you to burn.
I am the god of hellfire. Can I bring you?
Fire. Ooh, the wind's kind of gusty tonight. I bet the fire department comes. We gotta stoke this baby down. It's kind of big.
Stoke it down.
Stoke it down. Unstoke it.
Unstoke the fire.
Take the stove
Look,
off.
the star's burning off the tree. At least it's wet around. Oh my god.
Fire feels pretty damn good.
That's his wife.
Yeah.
That far up.
That's his wife now. Come on.
That's gonna burn that tree.
Yeah. I told him not to put it under that damn tree. You did it anyways.
He did it.
Little concoction.
Hi, Seth. Okay, stop it. Okay, that's enough of fire.
Hi, camera woman.
It is so bad. Oh, look at the floor. Look, everything is total. He sawed the floor out.
Oh.
Look, here. How do you saw in the middle of a piece of wood?
Why?
This is going to be hunter green marble.
Ooh.
Doesn't that sound good? Did you ever see in here?
Yeah.
With the new light fixture? Oh.
Yeah.
I didn't know you did. Okay. Julie.
I like the wood floor.
I know. But they're so creaky and they're so noisy. I said, well, Bob, I said, you weren't supposed to be here. What are you doing here?
Yeah. Ooh.
Look how he custom did those.
Pretty.
The red and they faded into green, so now the red at the bottom is the green thing. Don't miss it.
Why?
The bar should be cool.
What
kind of bar in?
I don't think I'm gonna run bars.
Really?
I'm gonna. Everybody says they don't like the stem because it flexes too much and it's too long.
Is this one you're gonna trade?
But I've got a
Okay. A truck has flipped over in the front yard, and the wrecker just got here. Didn't hurt the tree. Hey. I don't think this is gonna be very good, but
I just put these tires to rims. I just put these tires to rims on. That tire right there, look at this. Hey, you want to talk? Look at the money I just put in this stuff.
these are the two guys huddled that were in the car, or in the